we will answer this one. So, una, simplify natin yung 3 raised to the power of negative 2 times x raised to the power of negative 2. Tapos over, since negative exponent yan, so that is 1 over x cubed. Then equals, tapos baba ha. Simplify natin yan, so that is 1 over 3 squared times 1 over x squared times reciprocal nito, so that is x cubed over 1. Then equals 1 times 1 times x cubed, that is x cubed over 2 squared, so that is 9 x squared. Okay, so yung final answer natin dito, ito na lang, x over 9. Sa choices natin, letter D is the correct answer.